Meaning of double park.
Double park.
Double park.
Double park.
Double park. Double park refers to the act of parking a vehicle beside another parked vehicle that is already occupying a parking space, resulting in two vehicles occupying the same parking space. This practice is generally considered illegal and can lead to fines or towing if caught by authorities. Double parking causes inconvenience for other drivers as it blocks access to the occupied space and may cause traffic congestion. It can also be dangerous as it obstructs visibility for pedestrians and other drivers. Overall, double parking is an irresponsible and risky behavior that should be avoided.